So let's break the answer for question of the day 42. Which options are important for delivery related billing? Let's choose right options. Billing header is absolutely wrong answer. And order item category with billing relevance. This is the right answer. You can able to choose in an item category level, either whether it is order related billing, delivery related billing, target according to invoice quantity, like that. You'll have a different option so that you can able to control. This is one of the key. B is the right answer. Date of goods issue wrong. Delivery item category related billing wrong. Contract data wrong. Anyhow, many are wrong, then last option also will be wrong. Okay, so whatever it may be the case, the answer is B is the right answer for this question. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And if you really have that interest to become a consultant, this is the right forum for SD guys. They can able to choose this course with 112 hours, 422 lectures. And these two are the two important courses for every functional consultant, getting master to write functional specification with RISEF and idoc training. Okay, so please choose all these courses wisely, and one or all, it's up to you. So thank you so much. I'm wishing you all the best. Have a great day.